it's Chrissy Faith here, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button for me so you can see more video vibes. Let's get into this video. So, okay, we can up close and personal. I'm going to show you what I do to exfoliate my lips. It is so very important to get that dead skin off your lips. Nobody wants crusty lips. Nobody wants to kiss somebody with crusty, dry lips, man. I kissed somebody with dry lips before and it was just like, what? Is this a Brillo pad that, like, I'm making out? What are we doing here? Like, and especially with makeup, especially if you wear matte makeup, which I love. But before you put on a matte makeup, you want to always make sure that your lips nicely exfoliated, soft, just ready to apply that drying lipstick so you won't have all those creases. And in this video, I'm going to show you my favorite DIY lip scrub. So if you want to see how to get softer, pinker, more plump lips, just continue to watch this video.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Alright guys, so now that we have all our ingredients for our DIY lip scrub, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of the sugar. The sugar is the exfoliator. It's going to be, I keep saying exfoliator? It's exfoliator, whatever. So take 2 tablespoons of that. Then I wind up not using the honey at all. So if you want to use the honey is good for lightening and moisturizing too, but I just didn't want it to be that sticky. So then you're going to take 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. Make sure it's organic. The coconut oil is your moisturizer. It's going to give you that hydration that you need. It's going to heal any sores or anything that you have, any kind of open cuts that you may have on your lips. This is going to help with that. Next, you're going to take your lemon. Make sure it's 100% lemon oil, essential lemon oil. Take 10 drops of that. Lemon oil is great. It's an antibacterial. It's going to help with lightening your lips. If you're a smoker, if you just have kind of naturally dark lips, this is what you're going to need to give you that pinker, more appearance to your lips. Now you're going to take the cinnamon oil. I did about 7 drops of the cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil is great for increasing the circulation to your lips, and also you're going to take the 10 drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil also increases the circulation to your lips. It gives you that minty vibe, and oh my goodness, it's going to make your lips so plump and juicy. And just mix that all up, girl, and you good to go. So this is what we're starting off with. You see what it is. Now I exfoliate now, and also I don't care how much you do this. If you are dehydrated internally, like, this not gonna work for you, sis. This not gonna work. Drink you some water. Get you some water. You're parched. Your skin cells have given up on you. Wet your lips. I'm taking the leftover from the lip scrub that I just made. Ooh. And please make sure Look, you get in the inner. Get all that. Get all that. Y'all see the difference? Lips are more plump, and you can feel it with that peppermint oil and that cinnamon oil. It really helps to increase the circulation to your lips, so you can feel it. Your lips, my lips just feel like they just feel pouty. They feel so good. My lips feel so soft. I mean, super duper soft. Oh yeah, just the wave. Like butter. Like butter. That's it. It's super easy. You just want to make sure your lips are soft for your man at night when you lay down, and he gonna be like, your lips. So he ain't gonna stop kissing you. You have to do this. It's so easy. All right, y'all. I hope y'all really enjoyed this. Don't forget, my name is Chrissy Faith. Subscribe to my channel for more video vibes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.